Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to compare the new smartwatch 9 or DT78 with L15. So we will see what we have in these smartwatches, so stay tuned in our video for that. So let's begin first with the smartwatch 9. As you can see, we can change the faces just by pressing it and holding it. We have quite a few faces and we have pretty good faces to change. These are very good looking. In the left we have notifications, up we have the taskbar with the torch, do not disturb and brightness, also percentage of battery and the date. Down we have status, message and sleep. Next we have heart rate, blood pressure and blood oxygen, sports, shake camera and main menu. We have here a couple of sports, as you can see, starting from mounting, running, hiking, etc. We have raise to wake, timer, screen time, stopwatch, find phone, settings. In the settings we have about, factory reset, power off, and that's basically it. So after we saw the DT78 or the smartwatch 9, however you want to call it, the smartwatch 9 it says in the Bluetooth, you can see we have here the L15, very good smartwatch. You can see the first page shows you a really good thing, and we have a very good feature in this smartwatch, that is the flashlight. At the top we have QR code, information, search, we have percentage of battery, also the brightness, and we have the date and time as well. You can see we have different levels of brightness. In the left we have the menu. From the bottom, find, stopwatch, timer, QR code, about, restart, factory, shutdown and the language. Down we have here notifications. In the right we have steps, sleep, and we have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and the ACG. Also we have quite a few sports here, starting from running, we have walking, cycling, climbing, ping pong, badminton, we have swimming and yoga, etc. So basically these are the sports that we have in the L15, and we have music control as well as the other options that we saw before. So basically this is the software of the L15 and these are the future of that. So let's go ahead and start with tests. So let's start some tests with the smartwatch 9. This is the heart rate. Let's see how fast it will measure our heart rate, and also we will know all about our performance. As you can see, we have the first result, which is honestly not so fast, but it's alright. And you can see all the heart rate stages at the top with different colors, which let us know in what stage we have our heart. And you can see that was the final result with a little bit vibration to tell you what do we have in here. Next we have the blood pressure. Let's see this one, how fast it will measure. So the blood pressure will take a little bit longer, as you can see, than the heart rate, but we have the vibration in the end, and we will see the final result. And we have the final result, as you can see right here. It took a little bit longer, but honestly it's worth to wait for the measurements. You can see right now, after that we have the blood oxygen, which is the third option for health caring in the smartwatch. And let's see how fast this one will measure. I think this will be same as the blood pressure. These two options will take a little bit longer than the heart rate, which is normal in most of the smartwatches that we had. Again, we have the percentage of blood pressure. We have here the sports that we saw before. Fast walk is the first option. As you can see, we have the seconds at the top, and we have only three things to see here: burn calories and heart rate, which for myself, this is not enough. We have only three options to see about sports, which I think it's not enough. So after we test the smartwatch 9, let's go ahead and start the tests here with the L15. You can see we don't have anything else here to test except here, starting from the heart rate. We have the heart rate zone with colors, as you can see at the top. So let's wait and see the final result here. We can see the first result like usual, and we have all these results saved in the app for later, for us to go ahead and check all the statistics and see all the data, what we did throughout the day or throughout a journey of running or walking, whatever you type of sports you do. So you can see the heart rate is still measuring, and it takes a little bit longer, but we have the final result at the end. Now we are testing the blood pressure. We will see here in just a couple of seconds the result, and you can see at the bottom it sets the last result. So for us, this is a brand new watch. We don't have any other results yet. So as you can see, we have now the result here, which is not so bad, very good, very fast, and for me it will work. I can be used to it. Now we have here the blood oxygen. You can see immediately it tells you the oxygen in the blood, which is a very good thing. And you can see right now it's changing. That was the first result. Now it's changing the zone. You saw the colors change, which is a very good thing to know that it actually works. And we will have the final result in just a couple of seconds here. Let's see how long it takes. So we have here the final result. The ECG will work after you connect it, and if you want to see how to connect the L15 or smartwatch 9, that will be in our channel, so go ahead and check that out. So guys, this was all for today's video. You can see right now we have the sports, we have the seconds, steps, burn calories, and we have kilometers, blood pressure, and the pace as well. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.